The Dubai ecosystem in 4 blocks: DLD, RERA, portals, and developers. Ever been asked who actually does what in Dubai real estate? Now, if that question makes your brain open 10 tabs, this lesson is for you. Now, when you don't know the ecosystem, you guess, you ask the wrong portal, miss a Trakesi reference, or give advice that skips RERA guidance, that risks trust and compliance. And in the next few minutes, you will see Dubai's real estate system as 4 simple blocks and how information flows between them. You'll leave with a one slide diagram you can keep on your desk. Let me see if I have it ready for you. Okay, it's right here. I think this should be the diagram that we are referring to. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll come back to this once again a little later. Let us start with meeting the 4 blocks. Dubai Land Department, DLD, the registry and fees side. DLD systems include Uqud, off-plan registration, and Ijari, tenancy registration. RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Agency, rules, licensing, training, advertising, oversight, for example, Trakesi permits. Portals, your listing and lead generation, treat public creatives as ad-like where applicable. And developers, supply and launches, projects, payment plans, official brochures, specs, and so on. Read the block subtitles so learners catch the role in one sentence. Okay, so now drag the blocks into 2 big zones. Let us open this PowerPoint presentation that we have right here. Okay, this is that. Now, these are the 2 blocks. On the left zone is for marketing and lead generation, portals, creatives, and WhatsApp, and the right zone is for transactions and records, DLD, RERA, Uqud, Ijari, and brokerage. So you can drag portals and developers to the right zone. Okay, portals and developers to the right zone. And sorry, I think there's something missing over here. Sorry, portals and developers to the left zone. Yeah, now it's better. And DLD and RERA to the right zone. Portals and developers feed marketing and leads. DLD and RERA anchor transactions, registrations, and rules. And outputs, make sure that the outputs that look ad-like should include Trakesi. Store permit proof with your records. Okay. Next is always draw the flows. Use simple arrows or just point. Portals, RERA. Advertising must respect RERA rules. Developers, DLD. Off-plan moves through Uqud, ready units. Lease registration goes via Ijari. RERA, portals. If rules change, your public listings and creatives must reflect that. So, what is Trakesi? An advertising permit reference. Ijari is tenancy registration. Uqud is off-plan registration, and STR is short-term rental, which is a building level permission. Verify with HOA. Step 4. And now here is the finished map. Let us look at that finished map. I think we already opened that once. This is basically what we just saw. Coming back here. So this is basically your reference snapshot. Left is marketing and lead generation. Right is DLD and RERA. Arrows shows the responsibility flows. Okay, the arrows is this. Do you see this? Portals, DLD. Developer, supply and launches, projects, payments, plans, DLD. Portals, listings. So, okay. Step 5. have a blank canvas for you attached in the resources section. Screenshot this or save it and quiz yourself, or drag or imagine where does each block goes. And so this is the blank canvas for you, so you can figure it out where what goes where. Okay, and that's done. Yeah, Dubai becomes simple when you see who does what. Portals, developers, fuel, marketing, DLD and RERA anchor registrations and rules. So make sure you download the blank canvas and the completed PNGs. Keep the completed PNG on your desktop as a day one reference. And when you publish anything, add Trakesi and store the proof. For STR, verify at building level. And that's all for the day. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A session or in the students community. See you in the next one.